the customer base which is the most easy to please and which is the hardest to please?
I think Bombay's customer is the easiest to please. People there are just so busy with their everyday lives. Everyone's working hard. Hustle is on in Bombay. You really feel the hustle in Bombay. Whereas in Delhi, things are a lot more chilled out. People are much more laid back. The discerning palate is more so in Delhi. That being said, the restaurants in Bombay today, they are above Delhi restaurants. Delhi's not, evolved its restaurant culture, its restaurant scene, how Bombay and Goa, specifically Goa, has in the last 5 years. Goa's, you get some of the finest restaurants of the country in Goa.